subscribe to our channel.
5 Home Remedies to get rid of bunions fast. Bunions are abnormal bumps that are not only unsightly, they can also be painful if not properly treated. They're caused by the unequal distribution of body weight on the feet, causing the bones in the toes to become inflamed and deform the joint. They typically develop after age 30 and almost always affect both feet. Their occurrence has been linked to genetics, foot injury, and diseases like arthritis. However, some experts warn that wearing tight-fitting footwear or high heels directly contributes to the occurrence of bunions. Below, we'll reveal 5 of the most effective natural treatments you can use if you suffer from bunions. 1. Ice. Over time, bunions become inflamed and cause intense pain after standing for an extended period of time. To reduce these symptoms and speed up recovery, ice therapy is an excellent choice. The low temperature numbs nerve endings and provides lasting relief. 2. Massage with essential oils. Massages with relaxing essential oil are a therapeutic way to increase blood flow to the affected area, while providing relief from pain and inflammation. Regularly massaging the area reduces the size of the bunion and prevents the formation of calluses and hard skin. 3. Cumin. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, blocks pain and reduces the inflammation that makes bunions worse. It can be used both orally as well as topically. 4. Chamomile. The flowers of the chamomile plant are known for their soothing anti-inflammatory properties that help control the growth of these painful bumps. Direct application reduces pain and soothes red skin. 5. Iodine and aspirin. A mixture of iodine and crushed aspirin stops the abnormal growth on the big toe and treats the inflammation in the joint. Continued use removes excess dead skin, reduces irritation, and prevents calluses from forming. Remember that to stop bunion growth you need to wear comfortable shoes, preferably well ventilated. If you're overweight or obese, you need to do something about it to prevent it from making your bunions worse. Choose a remedy that catches your attention and give it a try to manage your bunion symptoms. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.